हाँ इंटरव्यू है मेरा, जाना है, बस लेट हो गया, मिस हो गया मेरा। और 1 घंटे तक और एक बस नहीं है। जल्दी जाना है इंटरव्यू के लिए, क्या करना है भाई? जाना पड़ेगा इंटरव्यू के लिए। 1 घंटे तक बस नहीं है, बस जल्दी आए तो टाइम हो रही है।
हाँ भैया, गोइंग फॉर इंटरव्यू। बाय। ट्रिंग 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 ट्रिंग। Hi Vishwa.
Hello.
Jeva here.
Hi, Jiva.
Yeah. Today we have one interview.
Okay.
Panel we have. Okay. So you are gonna interview that particular person. He's very well in Java. Okay.
Okay.
Do remember, we have only one vacancy. Okay.
Okay.
So definitely we need to select this guy. I thought definitely he will going to rock in this particular thing. Okay.
Okay.
He will, I think so. He will come around in within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay.
What? Okay. What is his name?
Bala.
Okay. Right.
Okay. Keep going. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Jiva. Bye.
Okay. Train, train, train.
Hello.
Hi Vishwa. Beva here.
Yes, yes, boss. Hello.
Hi. Good morning. Very good.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning. So today I'm gonna send my nephew for interview.
Okay.
Okay. See, remember, definitely you need to take that guy for this particular role. Okay.
Okay.
See, one more thing. He's very clever and
Hello. 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 Bima sir. We got cut. So my boss also mentioned that this particular guy is clever, and HR also has mentioned that that guy is also clever. But if you see, there is only one opening. Now whom to select? Right. If I select nephew of my boss, I will be getting good hike. Okay, got it. My HR mentioned that his guy would be coming shortly, and boss nephew would be coming after 1 hour. So what I'll do is, in the meantime, once that HR guy comes in, I'll ensure that I'll disqualify him in the interview and ensure that my boss nephew is being selected. That way I'll be having good appraisal. Good.
good morning, sir.
Good morning. Why are you dancing?
Sir, this is my mannerism, sir.
Okay. What's the purpose you are here?
I came for interview, sir.
Okay. Just wait.
Okay, sir.
Okay, come in.
Thank you, sir. Sir,
Yes.
good morning, sir.
You are giving me a ring?
No, sir. This is
Then what is this?
nowadays COVID wish, sir.
Oh, okay.
Good
morning.
morning. May I see, sir?
Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Close your nose.
Sir, no.
No.
There is sweat coming,
No,
sir.
COVID time you need to have complete closure of your nose.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir!
Oh.
Removed, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I say one thing, sir?
Yes.
I already done COVID.
Hand wash, sanitizing, everything has been done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So can I?
Good.
Can I
Okay, let's remove the
Because
gloves.
we can speak free. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Action.
Did you get your resume?
Yes, sir.
Hey, what is this that?
Sir, this is sensitive data, sir. That's why I'm keeping inside, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
It has become wet.
Yes, sir. But very hot, sir. That resume power.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine. Tell about yourself.
Sure, sir. Sir, my name is Bala, sir.
Okay.
I came from Amalapuram, sir. Do you know Aunty Amalapuram? Allu Arjun famous song.
Yes.
Sir. That is the song. And
Okay.
my father is doing pharma, sir. My mother is housewife, sir.
Okay.
I have one brother, sir.
Good.
He's very doing well in studies, sir.
Oh, good,
In
good.
MBA. He's doing MBA, sir.
Okay, good, good. Hey! What
I have
happened?
one crush, sir.
Oh, cool, cool.
She
Bala.
cheated me, sir.
Bala, cool, cool. Calm down, calm down.
Sir, do you have a...
Calm down, sorry.
No problem, sir. I have it.
Oh, okay. Cool. Do not become emotional, please.
Can you say, sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, if you say myself, na, tell
What
me
is his
whatever-
name?
Who name, sir? My name or my...
No, your crush name. Sorry.
Dia, sir.
Okay.
She's
Nothing
very
much,
naughty,
nothing
sir.
much personal. Please. Take
Can I
it.
sit, sir?
Yes. Calm down. Nothing to get agitated.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Fine.
Fine,
Calm
sir.
yourself. Now comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Continue, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can we continue about yourself? No. Okay. Sorry.
That is my mannerism, sir. Sorry.
Okay, fine. I do not want to continue about in detail about yourself.
Sir.
Okay.
But that...
Please. I do not want many emotional drama now. We'll get into this is interview. Please, we'll
Sure.
continue with our interview. Okay, fine.
Sure, sir.
What is your mainstream?
Streamline you are asking?
No.
Okay.
Your stream in engineering?
Yeah, computer science and engineering,
Okay.
sir. Sir,
Good.
I know very well about computers. Okay.
Okay.
We have in my home good computer also there.
Okay.
My father got me a good computer, nearly around 50,000, sir.
Okay, good.
Yeah. So I know very well computers. Sir.
Okay, fine. I'll not go into your home computer and everything, but I'd like to ask few questions pertaining to computer science.
Okay, sir.
What are your study? So I'll start with a basic question for you.
Sure, sir.
So since you have worked, you have got experience with respect to computer engineering.
Okay.
I'd like to ask one question pertaining to computer engineering.
Sure, sir.
So do you know anything about byte?
Yes, sir. The byte is, I told one brother is there, right? And I have
Yes.
another cousin sister is there.
Okay.
Sorry, this is my native place language. Okay.
Okay.
So yesterday she went to one small shop.
Oh.
She got one chocolate,
Okay.
Dairy Milk chocolate. She loved very well that chocolate.
Okay.
Okay. After that, I asked her to give a small piece. She told, brother, take a small bite. So this is the called bites.
Are
Sorry,
Bala.
Yes, sir.
This is not what I am talking about your Dairy Milk byte. I am talking about the computer byte.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Computer bite. Yeah, computer bite.
Okay, I don't think you have got more knowledge about a chocolate byte rather than a computer byte.
Okay.
Fine. Do you know anything about storage?
Yeah, storage I know, sir. I told, right, my father brought one
Yes.
good
Yes, correct.
computer. Okay. Every day night, midnight, 12 o'clock, after they will slept. That time, I will download small 3 GB MP3 for
Arey.
videos. I will store that into computer
You stop
storage.
hitting that. You stop hitting that.
Okay.
This is an interview. You are a fresher.
Okay, sir.
Be like a fresher.
Sure, sir.
Okay? I do not want any mannerisms now on.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Sir, shall I continue that storage?
No.
So,
I do not want any storage. You are talking about bullshit. Okay? Fine. Okay. I need to be more professional. Okay? Fine.
Sir, I am also professional only, sir. That's why see my...
You are very high professional. I do understand. Okay? Fine. Keep your professionalism and mannerism with you. I'll get back to that later point. Do you know any computer languages?
Yes, sir, I know, sir.
Do you know Java?
Yes, sir, I know very well about Java, sir.
Okay. Can you explain anything about Java?
Yeah, sure, sir. Sir, I have a mother, I told you, right?
Right.
Every day, she will prepare morning. Okay, daily morning, she will prepare one Java. Okay, that is called my father, my brother, and me also will call that is a Java.
Wait. I am not talking about your mom's Java.
Sir, you
I am
asked Java only, na?
Bala.
Yes, sir.
I am asking about Sun Java.
Oh, correct, sir. Now I will tell you. That's why every day my mother will prepare early morning. While sun coming only, she will prepare. That's why we call it Java.
Bala.
Yes, sir.
I think
You are okay
you
with
please,
Java?
you forget about your mom's Java. you only concentrate on Sun's Java. Okay?
Okay, sir. Now got it,
I
sir.
think we are going overboard with respect to Java. We'll keep that aside. Okay, fine.
Okay, fine, sir.
So, do you have any idea about hash map?
Yeah, sir. I
Okay,
know very
please
well
tell
about
me.
hash map, sir. Sir, my father brought me a new mobile. Okay, OnePlus Nord.
Okay.
So I was installed one social network. So yesterday Chiranjeevi, Megastar Chiranjeevi and Rajinikanth birthday celebrations happened. So we all are gathered, all peoples in social network. We kept one hash. After that, birthday, happy birthday to you Rajinikanth, happy birthday to you so Chiranjeevi. Hashtag.
Hold on,
So we
hold
are
on,
implementing.
hold on, hold
Sir,
on.
let me continue that hash map, sir. So that's why we are keeping that is the hashtag. Maybe that is also called as the hash map, sir. Maybe my spelling
Bala?
mistake. Yes, sir.
What is it you are explaining me?
Sir, you
I
asked me-
asked you about hash map, not hashtag. How it has got a relation with that hashtag has got relation with hash map?
Sir.
I'm not able to understand.
It's only Mr. Tag and map only, na, sir.
What are you
Hash
talking?
same only, na, sir.
What are you talking?
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir. Sorry, sir.
Oh God. Pathetic.
Sorry, sir. I'm actually...
Please, do not get emotional.
I'm
Please,
actually
please,
sorry,
please.
sir.
I don't want any emotional scenes. Please.
No, sir. COVID
Please.
situation, sir. I don't want
Okay,
to
okay.
catch it, sir.
Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
We'll drop the hash map now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay,
Thank
at
you,
least
sir.
explain me. Do you not have any idea of map?
Yes, sir. Yeah, map is called, we are calling map is like, while we have an Android and iOS mobile.
Okay.
So, we are, sir, this is, don't think me I'm laughing, sir.
Okay.
In iOS and Android mobile, we have one app, sir. Let me tell you that icon. In map, it will be there, sir, in Android mobile. While we are keeping, sir, if you are forgetting your direction to your hometown or home from office to that one, we can prefer map, sir. That is called as map.
I'm sorry. That is not the map which I was expecting, Bala.
Sir, actually map means map only, sir. Google, it will give you correct solution, sir. If you type in Google search box, map means directly it will navigate into that particular map only, sir.
Bala, I was asking you about Java map. I am not asking you about Google map. Okay?
Sir,
You try to understand, please. This is an interview and you are a fresher. You have come to make your life here. If
Sir,
this is the way you are trying to answer, I hope that I may need to reject you immediately. Okay?
No, sir. I will prove
I
my
think
best, sir. Definitely I will
now,
prove my best, sir.
I think
Sir, give me one more chance, sir. Definitely I will prove my best, sir. Definitely.
okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any idea of threats?
Thread.
Do not stare here and there. There are no CCTV cameras, and this is not a recording or shooting. Please answer to my question.
You are asking about thread, sir.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes. Exactly. Correct.
Thread. Sir, can I get any women's outside?
Why?
I need small help, sir.
Why?
Small help. Let me explain. I will explain briefly. Definitely.
Okay, go.
Okay. 1 second, sir.
What kind? Only God knows.
Sir.
Hey, Bala, what is this?
Yeah, 1 second, sir. Briefly, I will explain briefly, sir. Definitely, you will wonder of this one. Okay. You know about this, right?
Yes, that is the needle.
You know about this one, right?
That is thread.
Okay. Once we are keeping this side, okay. If we are keeping inside, and we can stitch like this, right?
Bala, you are
Sir.
astounding. I am getting really pissed off.
Sir, this is thread.
This is not the thread I am talking to you.
Using of thread, like stitching the some cloth. or
No.
something. No.
I am asking about Java thread, not the Tyrus thread.
Okay.
And that too Sun Java thread.
Sun Java. Again, you told my mother morning.
No,
early morning.
please. I do not want to get into these things. Enough of this Java business.
Sorry, sir.
Okay? Enough of this Java. And Sun Java, I understand that we have got literally into that.
Sir, sorry about thread also, sir.
Please.
Okay.
Okay? So now we'd like to concentrate on the logical reasoning.
Yeah, definitely, sir.
And how do you rate yourself in the logical reasoning?
Yes, sir. I have good rating.
Good.
Yeah, computer science, sir. Actually, in my last engineering time, I have did one good dance performance. In the dance performance, all guys gave me 10 out of 9 rating, sir.
How come?
Yes, sir.
How that rating is related to your logical reasoning? I could not get the connection.
Because in engineering, sir, I
Okay.
have done computer science, sir.
Right.
In engineering computer science, I have done stream of computer science, right?
Okay.
So that is the logic of computer science. I
Okay.
have done with writing of 9.
Oh, I am going bounce here.
Okay.
Okay, I'll ask you, irrespective of whether you understand logical reasoning, the whatever rating concept you have done,
Okay.
I am not agreeing with that.
Okay,
I am
sir.
trying to ask you only one logical question. Please answer that. Okay?
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. 100% I will do, sir.
Just think.
Okay. Sir, I am keep on thinking only, sir.
Okay, good. I have this line.
Okay.
How do you make this line very short?
Yeah.
Think. Right?
This is the line.
Yes.
I need to do
You need to shorten that line.
shorten that line. Yes, sir. I will do very nicely, sir. No, sir. Actually, this is the full line.
Okay.
Okay. I have done. Sir, is this correct?
Is this a shortened line?
Yes, sir.
Bala, literally, you are making fool of me.
No, sir. No, sir. I am not fooling.
This is your logical reasoning?
Yes, sir.
Oh God. Enough of Java, enough of logical reasoning. I'd like to ask you last one question.
Sure, sir.
DB.
Okay.
Do you know about DB? Please be frank.
Yeah.
Already I'm off to my nuts. Literally, I'm little pissed off with the kind of interview. I'm not knowing, I'm not understanding whether you are interviewing me or I am interviewing
No,
you.
no, sir. I'm definitely, sir. After I will explain to this DB. Okay, definitely you will have after this explaining.
I'll see that.
Okay.
I'll see that.
Can I draw one figure?
Okay, go. Do not say figure. Again, you will be going
Sir,
back
sir,
to your
sir.
diya.
No. Diya diagram. But this is figure. Figure means see.
No,
in
please. I do not want the same emotional story to be repeated. Please mention it as diagram.
Diagram shortcut, sir.
No shortcuts or workflow you mention.
No, I don't know workflow, sir. I will do Diya diagram.
No, please. I do not want the diagram to be cut short to diya. Okay?
Diagram
I
is
want it to be
diagram.
diagram.
Sure,
So
sir.
explain me different types of DB.
Sure, sir. Definitely. Can I use?
Yes. Go ahead.
This one, sir. Board, sir.
Yes. Go ahead.
Sir. I will take. You asked me DBs, right?
Yes.
Sir, are you understanding this DB?
Not yet. Can you explain me in detail?
After arrows also you are not understanding?
No.
Okay. After arrows maybe you will understand somewhat, sir. So this is the DB. What is the DB? You know, you need what is the how many?
Please
DBs?
explain. See, assume that I am a lay person and you are explaining me in very simple terms what is DB.
Insta, FB, Insta, WhatsApp. We have
Bala, you are
Insta
making
profile.
me angry.
Sir, you asked me DB. DB means desktop profile.
No.
Sir,
I was
I-
asking you
in
about
social
database.
Sorry. Okay. Database, sir, you are asking?
Yes.
But you need to mention, sir. I thought DB means desktop profile.
How come you assume things? You cannot do that way.
Okay. Tring, 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 tring.
Just hold on a moment.
Sure, sir.
Hello.
Hi, Vishwa.
Hi, Bimba sir. Good evening.
Yeah. What about the status of that particular interview?
Your nephew, sir? I have not seen him. I am just interviewing the other person whom HR has sent.
Okay. What is that guy name?
His name is Bala.
Yes, my nephew name is.
Oh, Bala, you are really killing me, yaar. Oh, I am doomed. I am doomed. The person whom I am planning to reject is the person whom I need to select. What a fool I am.
Sir,
Oh.
one more time.
Bala, Bala, Bala.
Sir, am I selected?
I am
sir?
not able to believe. I am not able to believe, literally.
Sir, am I selected, sir?
What to say? You are
If you-
selected.
Oh,
You are selected, Bala.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Sir, can I ask you one thing?
Yes, go ahead,
Can you
Bala.
come that side, sir?
I have
I-
not seen such a day in my life
No,
where I would
that's
be
what,
so much frustrated, so much devastated.
That's right. Just
Okay.
come that side, sir. I will
What
give you
more,
one
Bala?
small
What
thing,
more?
small thing, sir. Small thing, only small thing. Just come this side, sir.
Yes, Bala.
పాదాభి వందనం ప్రియం వద్దం.
Oh. Okay, Bala. Only God can save me.
Thank you,
I
sir.
have no other words to say.
Thank you so much.
Literally, it has been such
Sir,
a bad.
when can I join, sir?
When? Tomorrow is the day.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. Again. Thank you. Thank you so
Okay.
much, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you.
I will touch with you tomorrow.
Hopefully, I'll have a better day. I may not say it's a good day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. What is happening? Nothing is going my way.
Tring,
Literally.
tring, tring, tring. Tring, tring, tring,
Oh.
tring. Hi, Vishwa.
Hi, good evening, sir. Bima, sir.
Yeah, so I forgot one thing. Okay. My nephew is there, right, Bala?
Yes, sir.
Actually, he will work with under you. Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Don't happy that much.
are you serious? Are you
Yeah,
serious?
Yeah. Don't get that much emotional. Okay. I know you are very happy with that.
Sir.
Yeah.
You are not getting my emotion.
Yeah. Keep in touch. Okay.
Sir, please, hear to me.
No,
Hear to me, please.
Vishwa, I know, okay.
Sir.
Whatever you have a thankful to me, okay. You will say after.
Sir,
that.
please.
Yeah. Okay.
Please have patience, sir. Please,
No,
sir.
Have a good day, Vishwa. Bye.
Please. What the hell kind of thing? I'm going mad. Arey. These many catastrophes in a single day. Meeting a wrong person whom I feel is really clever, but he is full of the fools. And then coming to the interview, he doesn't know Java. When I talk about Java, he speaks about mom's Java. When I tell him about the son's Java, he doesn't have idea. Thread. Oh God, going out of nuts. What is this happening? Then coming to the logical reasoning, he has torn the paper. I have not seen a person who is knowing a minimum logic, illogical, highly illogical, and he says he's coming from a background of computer science, and where logic becomes a crucial thing. And leave alone that. What is this DP? He has shown me a diagram completely pertaining to DP. He doesn't have the sense of DP and DP difference. Oh, literally, I am now getting his mannerisms, doing the tabla, doing all these things. And at the end, I felt that I'll be having good appraisal kind of thing. Now I am seeing more frustrated. The happiness that I was having day before or in the morning session, now I do not have even any kind of gone. All my emotions are gone. The way I used to be, so composed, so spiritual, talking to the people in a very cool and composed manner.
చిట్టి పావురమ ఎవరు కొట్టారు నిన్నెవరు కొట్టారు
I'll try to cope up this with this guy tomorrow. I'll try to have my own strategy, and I'll try to tow him in my line. Okay, let's fight for tomorrow.
ఫస్ట్ డే జాయినింగ్ ఓకే చాలా బాగుంటుంది నాకు అమ్మా తలే ఫస్ట్ రోజు జాయినింగ్ నాకు బాగుండాలమ్మా ఫస్ట్ డే జాయినింగ్ నాకు బాగుండాలమ్మా నన్ను ఎవరు మోసం చేయకూడదమ్మా వర్క్ బాగుండాలమ్మా ఫస్ట్ డే జాయినింగ్ బాగుండాలమ్మా తల్లే సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్
Oh, hi Bala, come, welcome.
నో సార్
Oh, sorry.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
How are you doing?
యా గుడ్ సార్ వాట్ అబౌట్ యూ
Good,
సార్
fine. Fresh day,
ఎస్ సార్
everything fresh.
ఐఎమ్ వెరీ ఫ్రెష్ సార్
Good.
యా థ్యాంక్
Okay,
యా
talk to Satyabama there.
సత్యభామ
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
Go to her.
She will coordinate with me.
yes.
I know, sir. You remember that case.
Yes.
Wow, thank you.
Go to her.
Okay.
She'll let you know what are all the software that are to be installed,
Okay.
and she'll provide you the laptop there.
Sure, sir.
Go.
Thank you,
and
sir.
get on to the job.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Hello, uncle. నేను బాలాని. Softwares are not installing. Can you call your that Vishwa and can you please tell please? Okay, uncle. Thank you. Bye. Vishwa sir.
Yes.
Actually,
Yes,
Satyabama is not cooperating with me, sir.
No, I had asked her to share you all the software that are to be installed.
Don't know, sir. I think so. She's have a problem with me, sir. She's don't have good communication with me, sir.
No. Please show me.
Yeah, sir.
What are the software that you had installed?
But don't call Satyabama, sir.
Okay.
I think so she's having problem with me. She's not communicating with me and cooperating with me as well.
Okay, cool.
Sir, this is the software.
Bala, these softwares?
Yes, sir. This is the
Are you
software.
expecting these softwares to be installed?
This is the called as PUBG.
No. This is not at all acceptable.
Software.
See, these softwares are not allowed in our organization.
But sir, you
As per the company policies, we should not install.
but
Facebook, Twitter, this desktop, WhatsApp, not allowed. PUBG also is not allowed. Please, uninstall everything. Uninstall. Do not try to dare to use those softwares.
Sure, sir. Tring, tring. Tring, 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 tring. Tring,
Oh.
tring, tring, tring.
Hi, Vishwa.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, Pema here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. My Bala is saying something you did not install the software.
Yes, sir.
Why? What is the problem? Those are developer softwares only, right?
No, sir.
What are the softwares?
Are you aware of those software, sir? What he was asking?
I think so. Developer software.
No, sir. He was asking the Facebook, Twitter, and the WhatsApp desktop to be installed, which I said they are completely against our company policies. Sir, why are you laughing?
I'm not laughing, Vishwa. I'm crying, Vishwa.
Sir, please, because these are against our company policies, we cannot allow him to install all these things.
If you are not cooperating with Bala, Bala already fought for about to my daughter. He went both are dinchik.
Sir,
You know about that dinchik.
just for your daughter or for Bala, I cannot do this, sir. Please.
Please, Vishwa.
Yeah, I cannot do this, sir.
No. See, you know, right? Next year, dinchik. Next year we
Sir.
have some. Okay.
Okay.
Be safe, Vishwa. Take
Okay,
care.
sir. Understood, sir. Okay, fine.
Okay. Be safe. Good day.
So
Thank
for
you.
you,
Thank you.
I'll try to accommodate him, sir. Okay, right. Bala,
Yes, sir.
now that today you are recently joined,
Yes,
I
sir.
want some of your documents to be taken a printout.
Sure, sir. I
So
will.
please do it immediately.
Okay.
And get me a copy of those printouts.
Sure,
Okay?
sir. Sure, sir. Definitely.
Good.
Thank you so much,
Oh,
sir.
sorry.
Thank you, sir. Sir, Vishwa sir, something happening, sir. I don't know, sir. Some sound is coming, sir.
What have you done?
You told me to take a printout, so I am taking the printout of laptop.
Oh God, you are gone out of mind, Bala.
Sir, you
What
take,
are you doing?
You take me to print out. I'm taking
No,
it
no,
out to print
no,
out.
no. No, Bala, no, no. This is not the way that you need to take printout.
What can I do, sir?
Have you not done any kind of printout in your college
No,
days?
sir. Please, sir.
Bala, I do not want to stay any longer in this office. I am quitting.
Sir, please, sir. Sir, please, sir. Sir, please, sir. Time begin. I'm the boss of company. I'm the team lead. Okay?
Ring, ring.
Yeah, hello. Who is this?
Good morning, Bala. This is Jiva.
Hey, hi, Jiva. Sorry. Yeah, tell me.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Yes, Bala. Today you need to do one interview. There is one opening where I will be sending a new guy who is really, really clever. I request you to ensure that he should be selected. Okay? Bye.
Vishwa?
Bye, bye.
Vishwa? Vishwa? Hello, Vishwa? Oh my god! రికార్డ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇలా ఉందా క్లోజప్ క్లోజప్ వెళ్ళాను తర్వాత మళ్ళీ నా క్లోజప్ రండి అంతే ఇంకా మన ప్రొఫెషనల్ కాదు కదా ఇవి అంతే ఇంత అవుతుంది కదా పాస్ పెట్టండి
Good morning.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్
Good morning.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్
Tell about yourself. Recording start is, huh?
అలాంటివి వచ్చినప్పుడు అక్కడ పాస్ బటన్ ఉంది కదా
నొక్కాను
నాకు
Good morning.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్